Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the pulling rate level for your Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So to do this you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app. You can download it from their website or find it in any Google search engine or any other search engine. So now let's click on our mouse. Here, if you want to change the pulling rate, move to the performance, and the pulling rate should be right here on the right, and you can change it to 125, which will be kinda clunky for a movement of your mouse. 500, it's an improvement, but the best setting is 1000. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.